because they're really big green spot.
Hey everybody, we are heading out to the school tonight. For what are we doing here?
Art show.
Oh, it's an art show. Oh, so it's not like just a concert.
No.
So she's singing at a...
Why would I come if it wasn't?
If what?
I said I was going to show you my art. Art is music too.
I know art's music. I know. Alright, so we're at the school for an art show tonight. Ray is singing. And choosing not to. You're not going to bless us with your gift of song? Alright, so we're going to check out a piece of art from Asher and music from Brad. They come all the way down. Holy camoli. Woo. Where's Asher's stuff? All the way at the very bottom. You just have the one piece in here?
And she completely knew it.
Brea? What the heck? Brea is all the way at the very top.
She's the tallest second grader.
Yeah, I don't think that's...
And I'm third tallest.
I can't even zoom in on her name, it's so far up there. There it is. There's Brea. Alright, so art show accomplished. We saw art by Asher and art by Brea. We listened to Brea sing. Good job there, Brea.
Thank you.
And so now we are heading off to
Walmart and Kohl's.
Walmart and Kohl's. Gotta get some special clothes for our Monday, Thursday service and some batteries for the Monday, Thursday service.
Batteries for Monday, Thursday.
Monday, not Monday.
Same
not
thing.
Monday. It's Monday. No, it's not.
Is there a U in it?
Yeah. Monday is spelled
M-O-N-D-A-Y.
and Monday is
M-O-
No. M-A-U-N-D-Y. Monday.
I thought it was Monday.
Monday.
Yeah, see? Why is it an A?
No, I think it's Monday.
Monday.
It's not Monday.
Monday.
Yeah. So
Monday.
that's happening tomorrow night. Monday, Thursday service.
For you guys, it'll be tomorrow.
For us. Oh, when they're watching this tomorrow, it'll be up. You are correct. Oh, wise one. So, running out to do some shopping at stores and then back home. Look how beautiful it is. We live in one of the best places. Look at all the calves. Ton of calves up there. Horses over there. Can't see them because the sun's coming in. Bunch of baby lambs.
Ooh, is there any out?
They're all out. Look at them over in the field over there. Yeah. We live in a pretty amazing place. Alright, just the farms and the fields. Someday. Someday.
That'll be us.
Good morning. Oh my goodness, it is a beautiful morning. A little cool, a little crisp, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at the sky, it's clear, the sun's coming up. Dew on the grass. Toby, just be quiet, buddy. I'll be right back. Alright, so gotta come out early this morning to let the animals out. I know, girl, I know. So we had a very unfortunate thing yesterday. In that, come on out, girly girl. Come on. We lost one of our ducks. At some point on, I guess it was Tuesday, Monday night, Tuesday day, something got in. Something got into our duck pen and our chickens. Well, here's how the story goes. We have a chicken that loves to get out of the cage. She doesn't go anywhere, she doesn't cause any problems, but she loves to get out of the cage. And every night she finds a way out. Every morning I find her roaming around. I can put her back into the cage, into the coop. Within 5 minutes she's back out again. So she must have gotten herself out sometime Monday night, and we didn't get her back into the cage fast enough. And by Tuesday, I came home for lunch, and we were missing one chicken. So that's not a good thing. And then I was looking for the other duck, the male duck, and determined that he was missing. I started calling for him, and he wasn't coming. So I started walking around the property, found his body behind the house. Something took a bite out of him. And the best I can tell is it's not a big bite, so it's not like a big animal. I know we have coyotes out here, so I don't think it's a coyote. It's more like maybe a fox or something small. But alright, making sure the chickens all come out. But I found him, a nice big bite, and he's now dead too. So not sure what happened or what it was. I'm thinking maybe a fox. It's just sad. So now we had to make sure last night to make sure that the chickens and the ducks were put away, and their pens were closed up, so they couldn't get out and nothing could get in. So now I gotta come out in the morning and make sure they're all released. But I think the female duck is pretty sad. Now she's by herself. I think she realizes it, because she's been quiet. Usually you hear her quacking, and she's always moving around. Yesterday she was pretty much just sitting. So, well, sad day. Alright guys, we just dropped Toby off at the, I should have had the vlog running, but I didn't. I don't know why I didn't, but I should have. But we just dropped Toby off at the Groomers. So he is going to get a pretty snazzy haircut. And I'll come back and pick him up a little bit later on this afternoon. And I will vlog that. I promise. I will vlog that. I don't know why I didn't get the camera rolling anyhow, but oh well. Alright, so off to the office. So the weekend has officially begun. Kids are home from school. I got Asher and Brea and Aiden. And the Easter holiday has begun. They have no school tomorrow. They had a half day of school today. But we're on our way to pick up Toby from the Groomers. We got a phone call that he's done. So we're gonna come and pick him up and see how he looks. I'm expecting to have basically no hair. He'll be our little rat dog again.
Yay! Toby's a rat dog.
Alright, let's see. There's parking.
We'll go back.
We've got parking. All right, we're gonna go in and see what we got.
Toby, look. Toby, look. Toby. Look, buddy. Look.
He's naked.
What's up?
Oh, I can stamp it, but Sal and Comfort can help you.
What's up, buddy?
He loves his leash.
Toby, come on. Let's get your leash on. Sit.
The other dogs are not allowed to look at his leash at all. Ha! See, that's yours.
Better put it on.
Toby?
Toby, sit. Good boy.
Sit.
Here, I'll
Sit.
take the treat.
That.
Sit.
Toby?
Sit. All right, hold on.
Jeez, boy.
Stay. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Thank you, sir.
Now I can do this.
Have a good rest of your day. Who's this thing on you?
A little bit. All right, so Toby's all groomed up, cut. Smells good, Toby. He's not quite. No, he's got his fur. But look at that. Say hi, Tobes. Toby.
What
So
are
we're
you
gonna
doing?
grab a quick bite to eat before heading back.
Speaking of lunch.
Do we have lunch yet? Kids haven't had lunch yet. Half day at school and they don't feed the kids. That's a bummer. So we're gonna.
I eat lunch at 12:40, so we're out of there before.
Yeah, you eat lunch what time?
12:40.
12:40. Good gracious.
I'm one of the first ones.
Go to Wendy's.
But it's so crazy.
McDonald's is a little crowded. But you know what? Wendy's looks almost as crowded too.
But not that much as it is.
But not that much. Oh my goodness gracious.
It's just the drive that's crowded.
Alright, so we're gonna hit Wendy's.
Roasties.
And let's go real kind of, don't go crazy on me, okay? We'll get simple things.